Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your Motorola Moto E14. To do that, open calendar application in the first step. In it, we can change view for a monthly to be easily to add, and tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 18th of July, and there this plus icon and event. There, add title of your event, what you need. In this part you can add event to your group on Gmail calendar. There we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, or by the switch tab it will be all day. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every year, or you can set doesn't repeat. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. You can add location of that, notification, maybe today before, and you can add more than one. In this part, change color of your notification, which you see in your calendar, description and attachment. And after you set all you need, press save. And that's all, we have it, but you mustn't add everything of that. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.